Hello, today's topic? At the hair salon.
Welcome to the hair salon.
Thank you. I need a trim, please.
Of course. How much would you like off?
Just an inch or so to tidy it up.
Got it. Any specific style in mind?
Just a simple layered look, please.
Sure thing. How's your day been?
Pretty good, thanks. Do you work here often?
Yes, I'm here most days of the week.
Nice. Do you enjoy being a hairstylist?
I do. I love making people feel good.
That's great. What's the most popular style?
Lately, a lot of clients ask for bobs.
Interesting. Do you offer coloring services too?
Yes, we have a range of colors available.
I might consider that next time. How long have you been a stylist?
I've been doing this for about 5 years now.
Impressive. You must be very skilled.
Thank you. It's all about practice.
True. Do you have any tips for healthy hair?
Regular trims and using good products help.
I'll keep that in mind. What do you think about my hair length?
I think a little trim would freshen it up nicely.
Okay, let's go ahead with that then.
Great. Sit back and relax, I'll get started.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new look.
Vocabulary.
Hair salon, trim, inch, tidy, simple, layered, hairstylist, popular, style, client, coloring, range, skilled, practice, tips, healthy, regular, length, freshen.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.